Hello everyone, this is Rovic here. Welcome to my channel. Hope you all guys are absolutely fine. So, as I have promised on my earlier video that I will come up with a new entertaining video to all of you guys. Without wasting any more time, let's jump into the video. So today I have come in Bortirbill, a new famous location in West Bengal. So guys, I hope you all have enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Last of all, I would like to inform you all that I will come up with a new entertaining video like this in a few days. Keep supporting me like this and share this video as much as possible. That's all for today. See you guys on our next entertaining video. Tada.